Hello everyone, and welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. Today, we're going to talk about preparing for a party. Whether it's a birthday party, a holiday celebration, or a casual get-together, organizing a party can be a lot of fun. Let's dive into how to plan and prepare for a great party. The first step in preparing for a party is deciding on a date and time. You need to choose when you want the party to happen. It's a good idea to check with your friends or family to make sure the date works for them. Once you've set a date and time, you can start planning the rest of the details. Next, you need to decide on the location of the party. If you have a big house or backyard, you might host the party at home. If you don't have enough space, you could rent a party venue or have the party at a friend's house. Make sure the location is convenient for your guests and has enough space for everyone. After deciding on the location, it's time to think about the party theme. A theme can make the party more exciting and fun. Some popular themes include a beach party, a costume party, or a 1980s theme. Once you choose a theme, you can decorate the party space to match it. Decorations are an important part of any party. You can use balloons, streamers, and banners to make the place look festive. If you're having a themed party, make sure the decorations match the theme. For example, if you're having a beach party, you could use seashells and palm trees as decorations. Food and drinks are also essential for a successful party. You need to plan a menu that your guests will enjoy. You can prepare simple snacks like chips and dip, or make more elaborate dishes like sandwiches or salads. Don't forget to include drinks, such as soda, juice, or even cocktails if your guests are adults. If you're having a themed party, you could make special drinks or foods that fit the theme. Another important task is sending out invitations. You can send invitations by mail, email, or even use social media to invite your guests. Be sure to include all the important details like the date, time, location, and any special instructions. It's a good idea to ask your guests to RSVP so you know how many people are coming. As the party day approaches, make a checklist of everything you need to do. This might include setting up the decorations, preparing the food, and arranging seating. It's helpful to have everything ready before the guests arrive, so you can enjoy the party too. On the day of the party, start setting up early. Decorate the space, prepare the food, and make sure everything is in place. When the guests start arriving, greet them warmly and make them feel welcome. Introduce guests to each other if they don't know each other already. During the party, you can organize some fun activities or games to keep everyone entertained. You might play music, have a dance floor, or organize party games like trivia or charades. It's important to make sure everyone is having a good time and enjoying themselves. When the party's over, thank your guests for coming. You can also send a thank you message or card to show your appreciation. Cleaning up after the party is the final step. Make sure to tidy up the space and put away any leftover food or decorations. Organizing a party takes some effort, but it's worth it to see everyone having a good time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to receive notifications for more English listening practice videos. See you in the next video.